Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English podcast show where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and just like a native speaker. If you've ever wondered how to improve your English fluency faster or how to sound more natural when speaking, today's episode is just for you. Because in this video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful and proven techniques for improving your English pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. It's called shadowing. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what shadowing is, how to do it step by step, and we'll even practice together so you can start right now. So, grab your earphones, get comfortable, and let's begin your fluency journey with shadowing. Part 1. What is shadowing? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say instantly, almost like an echo. That's why it's called shadowing. You're like the shadow of the speaker. You listen carefully and repeat every word, tone, and rhythm right after them. It's not just about repeating words, it's about imitating the way native speakers actually speak. How they connect words, stress, syllables, pause, and change intonation. This method became popular because polyglots, people who speak many languages, use it to train fluency fast. So if you want to sound like a native speaker, shadowing is your best friend. Part 2. Why shadowing works. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but why does shadowing help so much? Here's why. When you shadow, your brain is doing three things at once. 1. Listening carefully to native pronunciation. 2. Speaking at the same time. And 3. Processing the meaning of the words. This trains your mouth, tongue, and brain to work together just like a native speaker does. Over time, shadowing improves your pronunciation, accent, speaking speed, listening, and confidence. It's like real-time English practice without needing a teacher. Part 3. How to do shadowing step by step. Here's how to start shadowing effectively. Step 1. Choose the right audio or video, something short, clear, and spoken by a native speaker. It could be a short podcast, TED Talk, or YouTube clip, around 30-60 seconds. Step 2. Listen first. Play it once or twice and focus on rhythm and emotion, not just the words. Step 3. Shadow the speaker. Play it again and repeat instantly, matching the tone, speed, and energy. Don't stop if you miss a word, just keep flowing. Step 4. Record yourself. Then, compare it with the original. This is how you notice pronunciation gaps. Just 10 minutes of shadowing every day can completely change your fluency in a few weeks. Part 4. Let's practice together. Alright, let's try a quick shadowing practice together. Repeat right after me, be my shadow. Ready? I'm really trying to improve my English every day. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. The most important thing is to keep practicing. I'm proud of my progress. Awesome job. That's shadowing, short, natural English lines that train your mouth and brain together. Part 5. Shadowing with movies and shows. Want to make shadowing fun? Use your favorite movies or TV shows. Watch a short scene from Friends or Harry Potter. Listen to a line, pause, and repeat it exactly how the actor says it. Match their tone, emotion, and rhythm. It's not just speaking, it's acting the language. This helps you sound natural, confident, and expressive. After a few weeks, people will start saying, "Wow, you sound like a native speaker." Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly look at common shadowing mistakes. Speaking too fast too soon, focus on clarity first. Ignoring pronunciation, copy the exact sound. Not recording, always record and compare. Practicing too long, short daily sessions are best. Avoid these and you'll progress quickly and naturally. Part 7. Your 10-minute daily routine. Let's create your simple daily plan. Total 10 minutes. 1 minute. Choose your clip. 2 minutes. Listen carefully. 5 minutes, shadow it. 2 minutes. Record and review. That's it. 10 minutes a day, no grammar books, no memorization, and you'll feel the difference in just 21 days. You'll speak smoother, sound more confident, and think less before speaking. Part 8. What to shadow. You can shadow almost anything: podcasts, YouTube videos, movie dialogues, or English songs. Choose topics you love: travel, motivation, success, or English lessons. When you enjoy the content, you'll learn faster and remember longer. Now it's your turn. After this video, pick one short clip and try shadowing for 5 minutes. You'll be amazed how fast your fluency improves. Thanks for listening to the